Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? It's PawPaw again. And what would you do if I told you that you could shoot your gun as much as you wanted to and not cost you a penny in ammunition? You could sit in your house and target practice and not make a bunch of racket. Well, the folks at iTarget have come up with something that is awesome. I mean, it is awesome. Y'all stick around because we're going to demonstrate this for you. I'm going to open up this box and I'm going to show you what's inside. Be right back. Well, how y'all doing? It's PawPaw again. Now folks, you know that I review a lot of products. I have a lot of companies ask me pretty much every day if I'll do a review on something that they offer. And to be quite honest, if it's a little 50-cent or $5 item, I ain't got time to do that. But this is different. I actually went to the folks at iTarget because I saw this advertised on RSB Network at a Trump rally where you can shoot your gun in the house. And I thought, man, that is cool. So, like I say, I saw it. So I contacted the folks and I said, would you send me one of those? I'll do a nice review for you. And I says, I have a 9mm automatic and I carry a .38 revolver. And they sent a 9mm bullet. What is so neat about this is the bullet is a laser. And you buy it for whatever caliber you need that they offer. And they offer a whole bunch of different calibers. But you just put this laser bullet in your gun, and it has a rubber button on the back of it that your firing pin hits. And that way you can dry fire your gun and you're not going to hurt your firing pin. Let me show you here. I'll push on that little button. There it is. See there? So when you shoot, my fingernail ain't a firing pin. So when you shoot that thing, bam, 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 bam. You shoot that target, your cell phone picks it up. And your cell phone scores you. So cool. I'm going to demonstrate it for you here because it's really neat. I'll get that target centered in there. Insert your laser bullet in the chamber. Make sure your gun's unloaded before you do this, y'all. And you're ready to go. We're going to start. Let's see what happens there. Now what I like about this is we're sitting here in the house and we ain't burning up no ammunition. it's neat to be able to sit in here indoors, nasty weather outside, and boom, able to shoot the gun. So we can sit here in the house and have fun all day long, and don't cost a penny once we bought the bullet in the Target. Sweet. Well, folks, I like it. I just hope I can talk them into sending me a 38 for my revolver. Yes, sir. Also, it comes with extra batteries for the laser bullet itself. I need a better phone. It's slow about storing me. But you can sit here, you can see the target hit, you can see the laser hit your target. And beauty part about it is, you want to sit here, you want to practice, whether it's one hand or two hands, or, you know, uh-oh, here comes Booger Man, pull it up quick, two-hand grip, bam. Or maybe you just want to practice getting it out of your holster. I ain't talking about practicing a quick draw, but practice getting it out of your holster and learning to do an instinctive shoot instead of, you know, sitting there and doing the sights. Learn to get the feel of the gun so that you can just shoot that target. So, the thing of it is, you got a fella in here 12 feet away, you're going to hit him. So, I like it. Get you one. iTargetPro. Y'all have a wonderful day and a better tomorrow. Tell them PawPaw sent you. Bye. Now that's not a paper target. That's the display on my phone. See? You can check your pattern. That's pretty good.
It does look good, seriously.